The CARES Act 2019-2020 Coronavirus Stimulus Package. Hello, I'm David Cowen with All Hands On. Wanted to share some information with you about the Coronavirus Stimulus Package. That's the bill that made it through Congress and was recently signed by President Trump to send individual Americans a stimulus check. Let me explain. One adult can expect to receive $1,200. For each child, you receive $500. For a married couple filing jointly with 2 children, you can receive a total of $3,400. Now, you may be wondering what kind of requirements you need to meet in order to receive a check. You may be concerned because you're on SSI, or you're retired, or you're on disability. Or perhaps you're a naturalized citizen who immigrated to the country. You may be wondering, will you receive a check? Many people are wondering, I don't pay taxes. I get a refund every year. There is only one requirement to receive this stimulus check, that you have a valid Social Security number. That's all. Now, if you submitted your taxes last year and received your refund via direct deposit, then the IRS already has your bank and routing information. And you'll receive your refund via direct deposit. If you haven't set up direct deposit yet, then the Department of the Treasury will actually be mailing you a check. Now, the income requirements are, if you make less than $75,000 a year, then you'll receive the full amount. If you earn more than $75,000 a year, then there's a breakdown. And you can find out exactly how much you qualify for by visiting the IRS website, www.irs.gov/coronavirus. You can expect to receive your check in approximately 3 weeks. Not everyone will receive their check at the same time, but in approximately 3 weeks, you'll receive your check. Now, you may be concerned that if you receive your check, is that money going to become taxable income on your 2020 taxes? And the answer is no. This stimulus package provides this money tax-free. For more information, visit the IRS website. Thank you for watching.